A senior asks for an agreement, the client mentions an MOU, and the file contains a letter of intent. As a young lawyer, you need to know these are not interchangeable. Let's get precise and decode these fundamental legal documents. Let's start with the base of the pyramid. An agreement is the broadest term. Under the Indian Contract Act, it's essentially a set of mutual promises. This can be a social promise, like meeting a friend for dinner, or a commercial one. But when an agreement is enforceable by law, it becomes a contract. This enforceability comes from satisfying the conditions in Section 10 of the Act, like free consent, competent parties, and a lawful object. This leads to the golden rule: all contracts are agreements, but not all agreements are contracts. So, what comes before a formal contract? Often a memorandum of understanding or MOU. Think of it as a gentleman's agreement. It outlines the mutual understanding and broad strokes of the deal parties intend to enter into. While generally not legally binding, its enforceability ultimately depends on the clauses it contains. A letter of intent or LOI is similar but distinct. It's a more formal document, often issued by one party to another, declaring an intention to proceed with a transaction. An LOI can contain specific binding clauses, like exclusivity or confidentiality, even if the main deal isn't yet finalized. Finally, we have the deed. A deed is a formal legal instrument used to create, affirm, or transfer a right, typically over an asset or property. Think of a sale deed for a house, a gift deed, or a lease deed. Here is the critical difference from a contract. While a contract is void without consideration, a deed's validity comes from its form and purpose. It must be in writing, signed, sealed, and delivered. It's a statement of an act, not just a promise. So, let's recap. An agreement is a promise. A contract is a legally enforceable promise. An MOU or LOI signals the intention to create a future promise. And a deed is a formal act that creates or transfers a right. You have just been briefed. For more essential legal insights from Vidhi 360, subscribe now.